to my channel. Today is going to be a little home decor vlog. It's gonna be like a home decor update vlog. Sorry if you can hear the wind outside also. It's like so stormy right now. I also have to clean and everything, but this weekend we went to Costco and they had really nice rugs for only $79. So we picked up a new rug, which we really needed. Our last rug was so disgusting. Like, it was like a white shag that has now turned brown, and it just like was not cute. Like, who wants a shag rug in their home? Like, not me. So we got a new rug, and then because we got the new rug, we were like, oh wow, we're feeling re-inspired. Then Joey wants to add a desk in our bedroom for him because, you know, I have the middle room as like my closet office. And so then I started getting really down because the closet office, my glam room, is the last room that has just literally driven me crazy. Very weird layout. I just like didn't know what to do. We have to have a bed, we have to have a desk. I have a huge closet structure. Like, was very limited. Guys, Joey helped me out so much last night and made my life and my room just 10 times better. I am forever grateful for him. Now fast forward, today I went to IKEA because I had to swap out a couple things for the glam room, and then while I was there I got some pillows for my living room, so I'm going to show you guys those, and then we're going to go to my glam room, do all the little updated things that I got, and then I'll just show you around and, you know, keep you updated on what the house is looking like right now. And yeah, let's just hop into the video. So this is the rug that we found at Costco. We really lucked out. This is a 6.5 by 9 foot, I think, and it was only $69. I've been seeing these all over Wayfair and rugs.com for about like 80, 90, 100, even more. So this was definitely a steal. These are the pillows that I got at IKEA. I'm doing the girly in white in a 20 by 20 and the Joffred, which is a tan textured pillow, in a 26 by 26. And these are the best pillow inserts, but I'll go into that a little bit later. Okay, welcome to my living room. I'm gonna start putting all of these pillowcases, the Joffred pillowcase. I also got the girly in white. These are the girly in black. I like them because they're really thick. They have a really nice texture. Since we got this new rug, I kind of want to brighten it up a little bit in here. We kind of just stuck to like black, white, and gray. Now, these are the, I don't know even why I try to pronounce IKEA stuff. If you know me, I'm the worst at pronouncing things. I have like the worst speech, but these are the Fajidar pillow inserts, and these are down feathers. I think these are like $6 to $10 each, and they have the other ones that are, I think, like a few dollars less. I highly recommend just getting this one. Look how fluffy it is. Like, and it goes so tiny, which is so important. The other ones were too stiff, and I just don't think that ever really looks good. So I've learned my lesson, and I am forever and always buying these down ones. I have also been wanting these pillowcases for such a long time, but they always sell out. So I was super happy when I went and they had them in stock. Impromptu IKEA trip. I feel like we either have really good weekends where things just kind of fall into place, or we have weekends where we don't really get a lot of home stuff done. And this was definitely a weekend that things fell into place. Okay. I love you. I like to flip my pillowcases inside out and then put my hands in the corner, grab on, and then flip it right side in over the pillows. I also do this for our duvets. So this is what we have so far, but we can still put some more. I want to get like the best view of the whole couch. I definitely want to play around with it a little bit, but so far I'm liking it. We're gonna come back here and then just start kind of like doing the final touches on decorating. But I want to head to my glam room and show you what I have going on there. I'm like eager to see if what I bought works. Little fun fact, if you're wondering how much veneers cost, 4 veneers, $4,000. So yeah, we're gonna just keep this right over there. Okay, so we are in my glam room. I'm gonna show you guys the insert, but the whole thing, it's behind you guys. The 2 things we have to do are, 1, hang up curtains. And I think we're gonna do this first so I can block out the light and it won't get super overexposed. And then the second thing we're going to do, IKEA was out of the closet rods, which was so annoying because I went all the way over there. I returned what I had, probably could have just kept it. So I went to Target and I picked up this shower rod. And we are going to makeshift a rod. I mean, I'm sure it will last up until February. There's 2 little end pieces and this fits perfectly within it. It's not super tight and snug like the one that it's made for, but we're gonna make it work. So we're gonna be doing that. Okay, so let's start off with the curtains so then we can play around with this guy. So this is what the room looks like when you first walk in. It's so overexposed and it's really messy. But we put the desk, we've cut the desk to fit perfectly in between these 2, like cover it with my hand. There's the last 2. So there's the desk and then these 2 guys. I do want to say about this, it has literally changed my life. So before I had these 2 together and I had it, also don't mind the paint because we're playing with paint. I had those 4 right here, literally as you can see where they were. We're getting rid of this desk. We needed it because we had family, or sorry, this bed. We had family coming over and so we didn't have a place for them to sleep, so I bought this really quick. And then this used to be on this wall, and then my desk used to be here, but it drove me crazy because it's not centered with that window. So now by putting this whole unit on this wall, it really opens up the space. It centers the window. It makes it a lot smaller, which I really don't mind. And it just gives you so much more space when you're walking in. I just feel like it's going to be so much better. Okay, so I'm probably gonna do the curtains off camera after I started thinking about it, but I wanted to show you which ones they are. They are the Ritva 65-inch curtain. Now, from where the rod is to the desk, that is 65 inches. Watch them not even fit because that was totally my luck. Okay, so here are the curtains. They're pretty sheer, but they still give enough coverage. So I'm really in love with them. And I like the way they fold down. That's huge for me. But look, is that gonna drive me crazy? The fact that it is literally 1 inch off of the table. Like, I guess I wouldn't want it to drag on the table, but yeah, that might drive me a little bit crazy. So here we are in the closet. Now these are the 2 that we are going to redo. So what we're gonna do is, 1, put this curtain rod into this bigger one and then do the shelves in here, and then I'm gonna style it. I had to get a snack. So this is the compliment shelf. Oh, I don't think I've told you guys about my glam room. It is the IKEA Pax closet system. And what you do is each of these individual units, they come in 3 different sizes in widths and depths. You can custom design them to look however you want them. My kind of review of it, I love it for multiple reasons. I have moved these all around the room trying to figure this out. It is so easy to take them apart, and then they're light. Even with all your stuff on it, you can kind of just slide them around gently. So super customizable, easy to move. You can add to it, you can take away, you can redesign. Because they have a really good return policy, if you don't like something, you can take it back. So I have absolutely no complaints with these. For the space that we have right now and for the functions of this room that we need, it works perfectly, and I'm gonna be really excited for our next place. If we move into a bigger place down the line and have a better layout of a room, I can add to it. So that's super exciting. So it's a really good investment. Highly recommend it. Alrighty, now let's stop talking and get moving. I'm gonna go ahead and screw all of these little pieces into this. Woo! I just finished putting in everything in the closet, and I also switched them. Out of breath, I did that switcheroo, but that's how you know how easy it is.
It's too cold, saw your face in the crowd and I think we loved eyes. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise when I met you in the doorway.
So there's the bar, and then here are the two shelves. Here's the desk, and then these are the other two small ones. All of this has to be re-cleaned and styled, but so far, so good.
Had to go to the main train station. At that point, I was so paranoid already. It was about 6:30 in the morning. Then the ice train came, those super fast trains in Germany. I jumped on that one, and I was in it for 3 hours, and then I had to change my train in Frankfurt main station. If you've ever been in Germany to any train station, especially that one,
Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed kind of coming along with me to decorate and clean up and kind of just see what's going on in my household. I still have a lot to do. I gotta drink a lot of water. I haven't had any water today. I still need to clean my bathroom and just get everything organized. I want to redo the entryway and my hallway, so those are going to be 2 videos coming up. My glam room is almost done. I still have to paint it, and then we're going to switch out that bed frame in there for something a lot cleaner. But I think just having that wall done is like 99% of the struggle. And this rug really changed the whole vibe in the living room. I love our new pillows. So yeah, I mean, once it gets sunny outside and it's not raining and ruining the patio, I'm also gonna do a patio makeover. Because when you have an outdoor space, it's like you kind of have to do it again after every season. So that one will be really fun, but I'm gonna end it there, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you want to see down below, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye. Oh my God, I really needed that.